Meet Stephan, a seasoned practitioner who shares his insights into the common hurdles faced in meditation. Through his experiences, we explore why these challenges, whether they're finding time or dealing with distractions, are significant learning opportunities. Stephan emphasizes the importance of meditation not just as a practice but as a transformative journey that enhances mindfulness and inner peace. He sheds light on how overcoming these obstacles is not just beneficial, but essential for deepening the meditative experience, paving the way to greater mental clarity and emotional resilience. In today's busy world, finding time for meditation can be a hurdle. Stephan explains that integrating meditation into daily routines needn't be daunting. By treating it as an essential activity, much like eating or sleeping, one can ensure it isn't overlooked. He suggests practical tips such as setting reminders on phones or gadgets, and integrating short meditation sessions that adapt smoothly into any lifestyle, allowing even the busiest individuals to benefit from these moments of peace. These strategies help make meditation an achievable commitment in our daily lives, nurturing mental well-being amidst our fast-paced routines. Distractions, both external and internal, pose significant challenges to maintaining focus during meditation. Stephan shares valuable strategies to combat these disruptions effectively. For external noises, using headphones with calming sounds can create an immersive environment, shielding from unwanted interruptions. Internally, when thoughts wander, a common issue among practitioners, Stephan advises to gently redirect focus to breathing. This simple act serves as an anchor, bringing back mental clarity. Moreover, accepting that thoughts will wander and viewing this as part of the meditation process can reduce frustration and enhance the practice's overall quality. Physical discomfort can often disrupt and discourage meditation practices. Stephan emphasizes the importance of creating a comfortable meditation environment. He suggests investing in supportive cushions that alleviate pressure points and encourage proper spinal alignment. Adjusting sitting positions frequently and exploring different postures can also prevent discomfort. Stephan stresses the importance of not hesitating to alter your posture if discomfort is felt, promoting a flexible approach to meditation. By prioritizing physical comfort, practitioners can focus more deeply on their mental and spiritual journey without being hindered by bodily distress. In conclusion, embracing the meditation journey, despite its challenges, enriches both mind and spirit. Stephan's insights remind us that overcoming obstacles such as finding time, managing distractions, and mitigating physical discomfort can profoundly deepen our practice. By implementing practical solutions like scheduling meditation, using calming aids, and ensuring physical comfort, we can enhance our focus and experience. Stephan urges persistence and patience, advocating for a steadfast commitment to this transformative process. Applying these strategies will not only foster a fruitful meditation practice but also contribute to our overall well-being.